Why is color significant? Color is one of the languages of the soul. It is said that organs and glands of our bodies vibrate at specific frequencies and that colors correspond to the areas of our body which have the same frequency. When we're sick, our organs and glands may become out of balance and not function at their proper frequencies. Restoring the proper frequency is thought to restore health. It is believed that the color choices you make reflect a deeper meaning about your personality traits. Like the colors you choose to wear might also say something about how you're feeling that day. Some days you might feel like wearing something lighter, something red or something blue. These choices often reflect how you're feeling at the moment. Furthermore, wearing certain colors may cause you to react differently to certain situations because it affects your emotions, your feelings, moods, as well as perceptions. Colors surrounding you can also have various effects and play a major role in setting up a particular mood or state of mind. Colors also have symbolic meanings, which are immediately recognized by our subconsciousness. They influence the flow and amount of energy in our bodies.